Today we're going to make some Farmer John beef franks, the 14-ounce package. I poured some water in the skillet. We're going to use the low temperature setting on my skillet, which is 275 degrees. And while I used to just use regular white bread, today I even bought official hot dog buns to try out. After about 5 minutes or so, looks like we got some water boiling. Okay, let's see what we can do. Okay, we'll try a second one. So I've had it going a couple minutes, just kind of gonna roll them a little bit, I guess. Gonna try and check the temperature, looking for 160. I didn't wait for the preheat light to go out. Checking the other one. Okay, shutting off the skillet and we'll see what we got. And I checked the temperature one last time, just to make sure we're at 160. Looks like we're looking good. Got my ketchup and mustard. It's time to eat. Thanks so much for joining me and hope to see you next time.